Here in Inos, giving the car a little wash. I ain't going nowhere dirty, bro. That ain't gonna happen. I need to do a full detail on my car for sure. Alright. What's next? Blur up. Come on, baby. There we go. Get a bubble here, bubble there, bubble everywhere. Oh, skeet motherfucker. Oh shit. Broke out some tank. Alright, she's clean for a little bit. Let's do a quick start real quick. Let's go. Door closed by itself. Thank you. Made it to customs night. We are here. Are there? Turn that off. Get off the rotary. That skyline that was sitting forever.
Yeah. But that process is a big process. Recording, vacuum it and all that. That's what we gotta
get a camera that's for recording.
Is that
Oh shit.
like locals? They hate the police.
Hey, you looked at your crypto account?
They got the flashing, right? What they're doing is just
I need to put into that. No, it's probably his car. What? That's the one with the Pachinko machine inside of it?
Now that the purple,
car got a
purple,
Oh, these guys
I was like,
going to jail,
I want to get it done in purple.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm probably going to buy another steering wheel.
Wow.
He not. A whole machine inside of that mother. Nice up. The car has a whole machine inside of it. Let me play this mother. What can I win? Can I win something? Sitting down there, boy. VIP status. Got the radiator in. The Grady. Ikura, how much was it? It was like
I traded my old transmission for it. I think it's
what?
Five something. Yeah.
Trade. Pause this video. Make it fart again.
I need to get my two-step set up.
Yeah, I gotta get mine. This boy. Where you going? Where you going?
Listen, even better. Tired.
Tired from what? You didn't do shit.
I've been up since 4.
That's normal.
Alright, man.
Alright. Oh, there's some bike night guys.
So quiet.
It is quiet. What the hell you doing? What up? How's it going?
Like your headlights, not your taillights.
I like your tail lights. AG in this car. I'm gonna go get me something to drink. Oh, come on. It's Johnson's car. Oh boy, they got the lone boys over here. This mother taking up 18 parking spots. I can't get this on camera. Got the lone boys over here. I'm going to get something to drink. I've been saying it for the past 30 minutes. Nope. R34. It's so long you can't get past there. Yo! What? It ain't bedtime yet. No, it ain't. Get it. Come to me. Come to Papa. What shall I get? We got the 6-4 out. Who's that, Dr. Dre over there? Dre, is that you? Snoop? No, that's Snoop. Ooh, look at the bug. No. Come on. Really? He's about to play some music out here. He's about to play some music. There's something wrong with your car.
I know, it don't sound right.
Yeah. Yeah, something wrong with that. Yeah. I don't know what I wish my car would do that shit.
You shoot a little fireball?
I saw a little bit of them come out of there. Nice job. She's just gonna kill me. Oh God. Your boy's a little loud tonight.
Shit, burn my fucking legs, bro.
Nice. The 3 R's are out here. Where did that come from? My tuner's gonna do it. Oh my God. Police on Alright, I'll give it one. Everybody came out. Look at that. What did see the police? I'm gonna turn my damn car off.
Ticket for noise.